Hi, talking about the UseMemo in React. We can take the React tutorial. There you can see the UseMemo. UseMemo is a React hook that lets you cache the results of a calculation between re-renders. So it is caching the results of some functions, that is using the UseMemo. There is many reference for it. This is the structure of the UseMemo. Calculate value dependencies. The calculate value is a function, dependencies as the parameters for that function. Okay, calculate value, the function calculating the value that you want to cache. Dependencies, the list of all reactive values referenced inside the calculated value code. So it is the function name and it is the dependencies for the function. Okay, so its usage is skipping expensive recalculations. So we are going to check about how to skip the expensive recalculations. Currently I have some code like this is a page, it only listing a counter, it is for a counter. Okay, function counter, there is a state variable, use state. When clicking on the button it is incrementing the counter. We can see it is running here. Okay, when you clicking on it you can see that it is incrementing. We are going to use this page for explaining the use state. Okay, now I think I can create a new state variable for storing some fruits. Set fruits equal to use state of, I'm going to store some fruits variable, fruits names in it, maybe apple, banana, orange, then grapes. So we are going to print these fruits in a, we are going to pass these fruits to a new component, and from where we printing it. Okay, so here is the page memo. I am creating a new folder, components in the memo folder. Then I am creating a new component, new file, list.tsx. okay, constant, sorry, list equal to return of, we may return just first we are returning the count. Okay, no, this is not the count. As it is TSS, we have to set the type count equal to number. Okay, so it is accepting a count and displaying it. Okay, it is a number type. This is for the TypeScript setting, count count equal to number. Okay, counting. Then we are calling this list here, list. Oh, we didn't export it here, so it is not export default list. Okay, now we are using it here, list. Okay, you can see it is importing from the components. It is import list from component list. Now we have to pass the counter, count equal to count. Okay, now it is just printing the count in the page, just running it. Okay, you can see that it is important here, it is running. Then on clicking on it, it is incrementing. Okay, you can see it. So it is working. Then we are going to pass the fruits variable also to it. Fruits equal to fruits. Okay, now we have to accept it here. First fruits comma count. Then we have to declare the type. Fruits is a array of strings. Okay, now string of, I think you get it. Fruits is an array of string. Okay, it is an array of string, so we are used the fruits array of string. Now we are going to print the fruits here. Let's UL, just using UL, then fruits dot mark. Item item comma index. Key is equal to index. Then we are just printing the item. Void is not assigned to type React Node. There is a bug. Let me check it. Okay, it is a syntax error. Here we put the brace, this brace, and it caused this error. Okay, I have changed it. If we use in that brace, we just need to return. We have to use the return statement. Here it is only one statement, so there is no need for it. Okay, now we can check is it is working. You can see that it is printed. Okay, apple, banana, orange, grapes. Now we are going to sort this fruits list. First we are creating a function for sorting it. Constant sort fruits equal to just sorting it, fruits dot sort. Return fruits. Okay, now we have to call this sort fruits function. Constant sorted fruits equal to sort fruits of. Okay. Currently it is not in a sorted state. Apple, banana, grapes, orange. Now just changing the order. Apple is going to move to the end. Okay. It is calling this function. Okay. Okay, you can see that banana, orange, grapes and apple. Here you can console.log calling. You can see that first time it is entering to the statement calling. It is sorting the fruits. This function. This is our expensive function. Okay. Just it is not an expensive function, but we are considering this as an expensive function. So each time we clicking on it, it is calling. You can see that there is no need for sorting each time, but it is calling. So it is re-rendering based on the count. There is no need for re-rendering this, recalling this sorted function. I think you are agreeing with it, because we are not changing the fruits array, we are only changing the count, but it is also calling the this function. Here we are using the UseMemo. We can use the UseMemo for not recalling. Adding UseMemo here. UseMemo, it is important here. Then we are calling the functions, just using the function name, then the parameters, fruits. Okay, now we are just commenting this function, then we can check what is going to happen. As we are using the UseMemo, it is fruits are not changing, so this node this is supposed to be not called. It is only calling in the first time. Okay, it is called in the first time and it is sorted. Then clicking on it again, it is incremented, but it is not calling the sort fruits function. Okay, now using the UseMemo, the sort fruits expensive function is cached. Its results are cached, and it is as it is parameters are not changing, it is not calling the expensive function. I think you understand what I said. Okay, for large projects we can use UseMemo for avoiding this type of expensive functions calling each time. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and like and share. Thanks.